Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a good edit on a CapCut application. So here I already opened my CapCut application, and the things that I need to do now is just go click a new project, and as usual I would like to use the stock videos that provide by the CapCut, since their video is quite good enough. And after that I just need to go add several things that I want to use for my project, and I think this too is just quite good. And after that I would like to make this appear like slowly. So the things that you need to do is just click the clip until it is in active mode, and after that just go click in animations. In this animation, make sure that you just like scroll into the left side until you find a fade in, and I just need to adjusting the length of this animation will be applied on your video. Okay, I think like I will go with 6 seconds. Again, you can see that, and after that just need to click done. And after that I would like to add several text on it. Go click add text, and now just need to the journey is about to start. Okay, and after that just make it a little bit smaller, and after that I would like to do a styling for my text. I go click style, and after that I would like to use several colors that probably match with the theme of my videos. Oh, I think I would like to go with the color only. Okay, and after done you just need to click done. I would like to adjusting the time when the text start to be appear. Okay, so I also want to make this text just slowly appear, so just need to click the text, and after that to add an animations. Okay, so for the animation I think I would like to go with the type 2, and I will like also adjusting the duration of the time the text is appear this, and after that just need to click done. And now let's have a check for this. Okay, so I would like to make this video also slowly disappear just by click the clip, and after that go with the animation, and in this animation just go click in out, and this out you just need to like find out the fade out animation, and after that just drag the durations too right there. Okay, and after you're done just need to click done. And just the same with the clip, I would like to make the text also slowly disappear just by click the text and go with animation. Don't forget to just click the out, and then in this out you just need to find out which animation that will match. Okay, I think I would like to use a fade out. In this fade out, just adjusting the length too. Okay, I think it's quite fast. Okay, and now after you're done just click done. And now let's have a check. So I think this is the best edit tutorial that I can give to you now. So if you find that the tutorial is get you so well guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.